traders, we got a fresh new week ahead of us. A lot of stocks moving this morning. On the move, we got mrna up almost 30%. Huge move. Almost 8 million traded pre-market. That's in play. ACB, marijuana stock, up almost 30%. Almost 4 million traded pre-market. That's in play. NVEX up over 12%. Over 700,000 traded pre-market. Quite a few here that are on the move. So it should be an interesting morning. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. So let's go see what we can grab out of this market. Just got in mRNA a few seconds ago. I don't think I was recording. It's already at our stop. Alright, it's a little over our stop here. We're going to wait and see what happens. If it don't drop soon, we're just going to come out of it. Come on. Alright, we're going to come out of this stock right here if we can. Alright, we're out. We're out. We took about an 80-cent loser. I tried it there at the break of this area here. And it might still drop there, but when it didn't drop right on this second candle, you know, this thing can easily climb. I don't want to be part of that squeeze there. Alright, it's coming down again. Let's try it one more time here. I don't see why not. Alright. We're in at 81.34. Now I don't think it has a chance. Now I think it'll drop. Here we go. We're going to see if we can get at least a point off of this. Target's going to be about 80, around 80. And stop loss will be over 82.20 area. Alright, we're coming up on our stop again. That stinks. That's the thing with trading these stocks that are up so much like this. You don't feel comfortable staying in a short because it could easily pop. But it's been consolidating around this area for a few candles now, so it's closer to the lows than it is the highs. So we think it'll drop. But if it don't drop soon, we're going to come out of it. Alright, mRNA. If it cracks 80.55 one more time here, we're going to see a nasty drop here. Here it comes. Alright, here we go. There we go. A little bit more. Let's keep going. Let's get this down to at least 80. I don't see why it don't go to 80. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Let's take this right here if we can. Alright, nice. Nice. We're out. We took a point and about 30 cents. Got back what we lost and a little bit more. Alright, we are short ACB at 16.19. This thing has halted once and it's been climbing for a while here, so we think it's going to pull back here, at least down to 15. The target's going to be around 15. Stop loss will be over 17. A lot of volume in this stock this morning. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Now daily, if we look at the daily, we've had some really nice days. But you're hitting a lot of resistance in this area here, which you should be hitting right now. And we think it'll pull back there, at least down to 15. But if not, we will come out of it. We're looking at about 15 to come out of the trade. But we'll see. Maybe we'll get out of it at 15.50, depending on how it trades. Here we go. We're dropping here. We got about 50 cents. Come on, a little bit more. See if we can get this under at least 15.50 here. Alright, let's come out of this. Alright, we're out. We're out for about 45 cents. You know, I probably came out of it premature, but I don't see it pulling back the way I want it to. mRNA, we're going to take this for another short here. Alright, we are in mRNA. This looks great here for a breakdown below 79. Alright, here it comes. Here it is. Let's take this right here if we can. Nice! Look at how fast that trade went. Boom, and it's still dropping. We took 1.5 points in just like literally seconds. We got in it just before it was about to break this area here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. I didn't even have a chance to talk about it. That was so fast. So let's talk about this trade for a second here. Alright, it gapped up huge, flushed at the open. Tried to climb here. Buy the dippers came and didn't work. Boom, dropped again. Tried to climb here again. A lot of buy the dippers came in. Now you got buy the dippers from here, buy the dippers from here. It didn't come out. They all came out here. Boom. Look at how quickly that drop came. ACB, this sucker looks ready for another move higher here. I want to get in it before it climbs over to 117, but it needs to hit us soon. If it don't, we're going to cancel the trade. Alright, we are in ACB long. We took it short earlier. From 16 we took it down. We took about what, about 45 cents from it. No big deal. But now it climbed all the way to 17, high a day, pulled back, and now it's getting ready to climb again. Looks ready to climb well over 17. That's what we're thinking it's going to do. Target's going to be, I like 17, well over 17, because I think it'll be an explosive move once it gets over to 17. and stop loss will be below about 16.25, about a point each way. We'll play this one. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Look at that. That looks nice. ACB, all right, we're pulling back here from the highs, mostly because of the market. If we look at the SPY, it's just dropping here. You know what? We're just going to come out of it. Let's come out of this. I'm not going to. Market's dropping. All right, we're out. We took about a 40-cent loser on that. I think it'll climb, but the safe bet is to just get out of it because it can easily drop too with all this volume. It's just too much volume. It can work for you or against you when you have all this volume. mRNA, we're going to take this long here. It's back on the move to the upside, so we think it climbs here. All the shorts are going to start covering like crazy. Just needs to hit us soon. Come on. All right, we are in mRNA. We think this sucker continues to squeeze here, at least up to 80 or maybe even over 80. Pull back from the lows here. Good strong pullback. The stock is really up big, so we think this is a chance for people who want to get in the stock to get in the stock before it goes over 100. Pre-market went up to 95, so I don't see why it don't climb after it initially had a sell-off from pre-market highs. So, but stop loss will be below 78, target will be over 80, but it looks good here. That's a nice big fat green candle to start off the show. All right, it's looking good. Here we go. I don't see why it don't go over 80 now. Come on, a little bit more. Keep going. All right, let's get out of this right here. It's slowing down there. Come on. All right, we're out. We're out. Now, I probably came out of this premature. Most likely I did. But we got 80 cents, and I'll take 80 cents and just get out of the trade there because it could easily turn around and drop too. But I don't think it will. Look at that thing go. I should have stuck in it. There, another point from where we come out. Just about. Look at how fast this thing's moving. And look at the volume bars. A lot of buyers in this today. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Don't really see anything else here that looks good. The market is choppy. Look at the SPY. Opened and just rallied, and then just before 10 o'clock it dropped hard. These are 2-minute candles. And now it's picking up again a little bit. So it's going to be chopping around this area probably for the day. We're up 392. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 4 winners, 2 losers. Our biggest winner on mRNA and our biggest loser on mRNA. Thanks for watching.